Look here, what a beautiful environment we live in. It consists of air, water, land, plants, animals, human beings, etc. The word environment is derived from the French word environ, which means neighborhood. It is the basic life supporting system. In this chapter, we will learn different topics like meaning of environment, components of environment, threats to environment, biotic and abiotic, natural environment, domains of environment, biosphere, ecosystem, and human environment. Children, what is the importance of June 5? Yes, we celebrate June 5 as the World Environment Day. List out the activities which you are planning on this Environment Day. Whatever we see in our surroundings makes the environment. For example, table, chair, school, car, parks, newspaper, mountains, rivers, trees, clothes, books, and so on. What is environment? Environment is the place, people, things, and nature that surround any living organism. It is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. It is a combination of natural and human-made phenomena. In short, what is the meaning of environment? Environment means the surroundings or conditions in which person, animal or plant lives or operates. Or you can study environment is the place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism. It is a combination of natural and human-made resources. Sometimes environment affects the human beings. For example, natural disasters like tsunami, earthquake, etc. From this slide, we can see the pictures of natural disasters. However, human beings modify our environment according to our requirements. From this slide, we can understand how human beings modify this natural environment. Tell me some more examples. Yes, land is used to build roads, factories, buildings, etc. We make cars, machines, etc. for our comfort. Just think about some more examples. This is how human beings modify natural environment. Why is our environment changing? You just ask your grandparents, is there any change of our environment from the past? Why this happens? This is only because of our needs. Our needs are unlimited. These needs are increasing day by day. Sometimes we are destroying our natural surroundings for our convenience. Threats to environment means anything that can disturb our natural environment. For instance, man-made things such as fumes are polluting the air. Land is being consumed to build factories. Dear children, how can we protect our environment? We need to take a few steps like save water, energy and other such natural resources. Dispose our waste in the correct way. Grow more trees. Reduce use of plastics. Use public vehicles. Control industrial waste and reduce pollution.